5 ways to make money online without investment. What does the acronym FUBU mean?
It means for us, by us, and it's how you can make money online without an initial investment.
Here are 5 ideas to get you started. 1. Sell unwanted items online. Selling unwanted items online is an easy way to make money without investment.
If you don't want the hassle of shipping and handling, there are sites that will do it for you, for a small fee. You can also sell things on Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, but the fees are much higher.
2. Participate in paid online surveys. Paid online surveys are one of the easiest ways to make money online without investment.
You can quickly sign up for free, answer a few questions, and get paid for your opinion.
3. Become a freelance writer. Many people want to work from home and make money online without investment. There are many ways you can do this. One way is becoming a freelance writer.
Freelance writers write content for websites on topics of interest to their clients and get paid a set rate per word or per hour, depending on the project. 4. Start a profitable blog. There are many ways you can make money online without investment, but my favorite way is by starting a blog.
The best part about this method is that it's free. All you need is time and dedication. 5. Sell photos online.
If you love taking pictures, why not earn some money from your hobby? You can make a living by selling your photos online, and it doesn't require any investment.
Here are 10 ways you can sell photos online. 1. Upload to stock photo sites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto. 2. License for commercial use. 3. Sell prints on Etsy.